Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Maria loves to read. She loves to read. The teacher is kind. He is kind. John is at school. He is at school. The children are playing. They are playing. My mother is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. The dog is barking. It is barking. Mr. Raymond teaches English. He teaches English. The students are studying hard. They are studying hard. The car is new. It is new. My brother likes music. He likes music. The house is big. It is big. Sarah is drawing a picture. She is drawing a picture. The boys are in the park. They are in the park. My father works at a bank. He works at a bank. The book is on the table. It is on the table. The girls are dancing. They are dancing. The baby is sleeping. He is sleeping. The teacher is talking to the class. She is talking to the class. The cat is under the chair. It is under the chair. My friends are coming over. They are coming over. The man is driving a car. He is driving a car. The woman is smiling. She is smiling. The dog and the cat are eating. They are eating. The doctor is in his office. He is in his office. The students are listening carefully. They are listening carefully. My sister likes coffee. She likes coffee. The boy is reading a book. He is reading a book. The flowers are beautiful. They are beautiful. My parents are at home. They are at home. The computer is very slow. It is very slow.